Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? So, in today's video, we are cooking egusi soup, and I have all of my assorted mix, all the protein I'm going to be using for this soup. Here in this bowl, I have cow skin, goat meat, and assorted meat there, shaki, roundabout, towel, a body, name it. Everything you can find inside of the goat meat is inside of this bowl here. So I'm going to go ahead and wash thoroughly with salt. I'll go ahead to wash and clean it very well. Also wash the cow skin very well as well. See that thing I threw away from the cow skin. You want to wash your cow skin very well because of sand. It's time to wash the assorted meats. This soup is billionaire soup. You know why I call it billionaire soup? Because with every bite, with every swallow, meat is going into your mouth. This is my stockfish head, washed thoroughly and add it into the pot. Season with salt and some seasoning cubes. Then cover to cook. Add your onion, then cover to cook. The onion, the entire eye no be small. Hi. Okay, the protein is ready. and I've returned my pot to the fire, add my red oil. I will not be bleaching it, just leave it to, get a little bit hot. Then go in with your sliced onion. Also go in with pepper mix. So yeah, I have to mix my egusi. I added another pepper. Yes, that is the pepper mix, onion, ginger and garlic and everything. So I added ginger and garlic powder again to my egusi. I love the taste. Mm. I love that flavor, that taste it gives to my soup, especially my egusi soup and my stew. I added more blended onion into the egusi, mix it thoroughly together. While my pepper mix is cooking on the fire, I want it to boil down a little bit before I start scooping in the mixed egusi. Now my pepper mix is ready. Then I start scooping in the mixed egusi. Cover to come back and check. You don't want to leave it for so long on the fire because you don't want to let it burn. So you want to always come to check. In fact, stand there until it dries very well and becomes like and have this crumbs texture. Yes, that is when you know that you see is fully fried. Can you see what we have here now? Yeah, it's properly fried now. Then I'll start cooking my soup properly at this point. Go in with the mixed up, go in with the meat, the assorted meat and goat meat. Stay. Add your dry fish. So at this point, I deboned and washed the mangala fish very well and added it to my pot of soup. Then add the cow skin and the stock fish head because I removed it earlier on and left the only the meat to continue cooking. So add everything now to the pot and turn everything together. Mix very well. Check your seasoning, adjust it. So I went in with more seasoning cubes and a little bit of salt. Then we are good. Stir and cover to cook for some minutes. I added little pepper spices into this soup. I want that fine flavor. Then add in the oziza leaves. I have picked and washed thoroughly and sliced it. I also be going in with okazi leaves. Use any leaf that you can find in your surrounding. Yes, if you're not in Nigeria, you can make use of spinach. Any leaf you find is okay for this this meal. Yes, and then our soup is ready. You can see now our soup is looking beautiful, and the aroma in my kitchen right now. My neighbors are already at my door. Oh my goodness, look at the egusi soup looking beautiful. Not just looking beautiful, but it is very delicious. Very delicious. Yeah, so this is how to prepare egusi soup. Is this video helpful? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share my video. Thank you so much for supporting me, and I'll be seeing you again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed. Let me know what you're going to be preparing this soup with. I'm going to be eating mine with semolina. Bye.